craftsmanship of this. Look at the fit and finish of this car. I mean, this is so amazing. It's hard to believe that this simple task that doesn't that does look simple is not that simple. It's a very tricky task and has to be done by professionals. So if you want to get your car done with protective coating just like this one, contact Mr. Nadeem, and he's gonna do it for a very fairly low price, maybe 30 to 40% less than the actual market value. And the details of the shop is here. I can show you right away. This is the shop, and that's my Java. I'm going to get this done for my bike as well. The name of the car is My Car Ceramic Coating and Sun Control Film. This is the workshop, and it's such a good place to be. If you are really interested to get your Creta done, come to this place, and Mr. Nadeem is not going to dissatisfy you. Every rupee you spend on your car will be value for money. This is the guarantee. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos on your car care tips and motorcycle and bikes tips. Until then, have a great weekend and a very happy and prosperous new year. Thank you.